Legend! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Every mistake could be a lesson.
Initiate retreat!
Never settle for being second.
Keep an eye on the map.
Show me some real challenge!
Launch attack! Request backup!
Is there a ninja who has stolen my skill of doppelganger?
First blood! Double kill!
The blood of monkey would never die.
Initiate retreat! An ally has been slain. Launch attack!
Take this!
Request backup!
Understood.
Request backup! Request
Since
backup!
this is so, it's better to accept it.
Ally request backup! Request backup!
Take this!
An ally has slain the turtle!
Never settle for being second. Is there a ninja who has stolen my skill of doppelganger? The blood of monkey would never die.
Launch attack! Initiate retreat!
Every mistake could be a lesson. Go, boys! Since this is so, it's better to accept it.
An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat!
never die.
Launch attack!
Show me some real talent!
An ally has slain the turret! You have slain an enemy! Double kill!
Is there a ninja who has stolen my skill of doppelganger?
Launch attack! Okay. Push first!
Every mistake could be a lesson.
Our turret has been destroyed. Ult is not ready. Mega kill! Ult is not ready.
Since this is so,
Push
it's better
first.
to accept it.
Initiate retreat! Ally has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Take this!
Initiate retreat! Unstoppable! Launch attack!
Never settle for being second.
Shut down!
Understood.
Request backup!
Take this! Is there a ninja who has stolen my skill of doppelganger?
An enemy has been slain! Request backup! Our turret has been destroyed. You have slain an enemy! Your team destroyed a turret! Double kill! Launch attack!
Every mistake could be a lesson.
Killing spree! Launch attack! Ult is not ready. Enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed the turret.
Never die.
Launch attack! Mega kill! An enemy has been slain.
Never settle for being
Unstoppable! Double kill! Ally has been slain.
Show me some real challenges!
Attack the Lord! Launch attack! Attack the Lord!
Since this is so, it's better to accept it.